What is up, fellow Pyro Fanatics? It's Pimp Daddy 28 here, and today I'm going to show you guys a demo video of a 200-gram cake called Kick Ass by Pyro Demon. You get 12 shots in this cake, and here's the barcode scanner if you guys want to see the product demo video on the Pyro Demon website. And the performance description is somewhere on the side over here. There we go. Alright, so we got 12 shots of Gold Tail to Gold Willow with blue stars, Gold Willow with silver strobes, Gold Willow with red strobes, ending in a kick-ass finale of Gold Willow with red, silver, and blue stars. Alright, let's go see how this thing performs, and hope you guys enjoy this video. Okay, we got Kick Ass by Pyro Demon. Ow. Oh boy.
What is that?
Crap. Damn. That was nice.
Tell me that wasn't nice.
Kick ass.